Hacker Radio.
Kiss FM.
Yeah, I mean it's like a walk in the park, man. You know, on a Sunday. Today is National Open Up an Umbrella Indoors Day. For real, man. Look it up online. What's up, buddy?
You gonna put it on there?
Huh? Yeah, go to Kiss FM and the video will be on there. All right. Say what's up to the camera.
Hi.
They're saying what am I doing? All right, I'll try, man. Those are family friends. I'm 18 years old, man. That's not a kid. Today's National Open an Umbrella Indoors Day.
So you just went along with it?
Yeah, man.
Stick with it.
You gotta have a holiday spirit, man. You gotta have a holiday
That's
spirit.
nice.
National Open an Umbrella Indoors Day. That's what it is today. Yeah, that's today.
All right. Awesome.
What do you think about that? It's pretty
I
fun,
think it's just another holiday.
right? You gotta keep the holiday spirit going.
Another one.
You think it's bad luck?
Well, yeah. Do you think it's bad luck? Do y'all think it's bad luck if y'all think about it, right?
Man, it's not bad.
I don't.
Like ladders, I don't.
That's there you go. There you go. That's how you do it.
This has been another Ziggy production.